again in future. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm welcome. Now it's time to present the mementos to the chief guests. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request Dr. Anwar Shaib to felicitate our guest of honor, Dr. Vijay Khare.
I'll give the flower.
1 minute.
Slowly.
Just hold it and look at look at the camera. Just hold it and look at the camera. Here also, sir. 1 minute.
Thank you.
Just
Hold it. Yeah, look here.
just look here.
Thank you.
Camera. Yes, ma'am. लेने का मैं खड़ा करने को उसको बीच में
Sir, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Wait.
wait for a second. Yeah, done.
Thank you.
Wait for a second. Okay. Done.
The second edition of second graduation of Federation of International Students Association.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Her Excellency Mrs. Zakia Vardhan, Consul General of Afghanistan in Mumbai. Representative from Embassy of Chad Republic, Mr. Muhammad Jane Umar Ibrahim. Mr. Nafi Abdul Sarwari from Consul General of Afghanistan in Mumbai. Representative of Pune College on behalf of Principal Dr. Anwar Akhtar, Dr. Gulab Pradhan, Director, Alana Institute of Management Sciences, Dr. Roshan Kaji, founder of Spanish school and representative, Mrs. Swati Jain, President of Federation of International Student Association, Mr. Abba Umar, all representatives of the PISA organization who is playing important role to bridge the gap between academic institutions as well as administrative institutions like Indian Council of Cultural and Savitribai Phule University. Dear friends, today is a historic day for each one who is going to graduate from different universities, including Savitribai Phule University, including Bharati University, or Tilak Maharashtra University, or any other university from Pune city. Those students who is going to complete graduation or post-graduation, I, on behalf of International Center Savitribai Phule University, on behalf of City of Pune, on behalf of Hearts of the Indians, I congratulate to each one. I congratulate to your who does not trust on you, who trust on India, who trust on Pune city, and they sent you to complete your graduation or post-graduation. Dear friends, after getting a certificate from renowned university like Savitribai Phule University or any other university, when you will go back, you need to understand you are not carrying a piece of paper with you. You are carrying Indian values, Indian culture, Indian ethos, as well as for you, you are a cultural ambassador for us. When I graduated 30 years back, still I remember the time was different. Now, after 30 years, when I look at the present situation, time is changing every minute, every day, every second. And technology is changing so fast. Probably after 30 years, when you recall today's memory, you will surprise what is changed in your life after 30 years. So dear friends, in next 3 decades, you will have a very bright future as well as challenges and opportunities. And when you look at the challenges and when you look at the opportunity, what is important to how to face that challenges and how to use the opportunity and capitalize the opportunity. Let me give it one story where you can understand that how you are so lucky. Look at the present situation in Afghanistan. I have just gone through various clips just 2 days back. We have interacted with very important strategic scholars about what is the situation in Afghanistan after withdrawal of forces. Then I said that in my speech, I'm admitting more than 500 Afghan students in Savitribai Phule University as well as other affiliated colleges. They are my ambassadors, and they will play important role not for only just getting the job, but maintaining the peace and stability in Afghanistan. And they will be one of the classic example to other neighboring countries that how they learn to develop the peace, not between among the people, and that is one example. Dear friends, what you see at present situation, post-pandemic geopolitics, international relation, post-pandemic, your day-to-day life is going to change. From last 1 year, we are in a pandemic time, and it is very difficult for connecting to each other. You all aware that the scientific data says that your your mind cannot focus more than 9 minutes on online teaching. You cannot get any kind of information more than 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, your brain may not work, but physically you are before the camera or before the computer. But there is no other alternative. Look at all sectors. Only education sector somehow survived. Even in the private sector also survived through the education, because through online teaching, somehow we are getting the degrees. But look at the other part of story. Neither migration is happening, nor business is happening, nothing is going. So at least somehow pandemic has given a opportunity to us how to deal with education sector and how to deal with the present time. Dear friends, I'm not going to say too much, but one thing you should not forget. I said earlier, give all credits to your parents wherever you go, because they spent everything on you, and when you will go back to your society or your country, it is your responsibility to think their issues, think their problems. You all aware that even in Afghanistan, I find the statistical data. Out of 100 students, hardly 7 to 8 students get the opportunity in higher education. That is a student at the age of 18 to 23, hardly 23% of population are enrolled in higher education. It means 23 crore population are in higher education. Rest of the population is not involved in higher education. And out of that, most of the population are going in the social sciences and humanities and languages. Hardly any, particularly enrollment in women's in scientific area is very limited. And same thing happened with the all developing countries. So what is important here, message is that whenever you get a chance, invite your colleague, invite your friend, tell them the good memories about the university, not from Pune University, across India, any other university. Send them, call them, and give them good education, because education is the only keys you can get all, you can resolve all problems with education. If you don't have education, then nothing will change, because education is the only way for getting a peaceful life as well as the stability. My dear friends, at this moment, let me once again I congratulate to each one for getting a degree from prestigious university. You all aware that Savitribai Phule Pune University stands at national level 9th rank in terms of National Institutional Ranking Framework, that is called NRI. In terms of other ranking also, we are marching ahead with the support of Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Nitin Karmakar and all university authorities. My colleague were in Afghanistan, they are waiting to come in India, but there are few restrictions on us. But definitely we are sending a letter to Minister of Higher Education, and if we get approval, your colleague or friend will also come and join the online classes while staying in Pune. But there is one important issue in that will resolve very soon, and this is not official convocation. Official convocation as per the UGC norms, the university has to conduct twice a year convocation, and this is not a convocation, this is a graduate certificate ceremony, because officially we cannot have another convocation. So this is on behalf of PISA, we are organizing a graduation certificate issue, certificate ceremony. It's not a convocation. So once again, I congratulate all students, all parents, and all your relatives for getting a successful certificate from on behalf of PISA and from on behalf of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Thank you very much.
Distinguished guests, Dr. Vijay Khare, the chief guest, Madam Zakia Warda, Consul General of Afghanistan in Mumbai, Mr. Muhammad Zain Omar Ibrahim, representative of the Embassy of Shad, Dr. Gulab, representative, Principal Pune College, Dr. Roshan Kazi, Director of the Allama Institute of Management Sciences, Ms. Swati Jain, founder of Spanish School and representative of LPCPS, Abba Umar, our dear friend and president of FISA, who is the main pivotal point who has been able to organize this great gathering today, and my dear students. All of us have come here together to celebrate your graduation ceremony. You will soon be getting your graduation certificates from the Savitribai Phule University as well, but we already know that you are marching towards that great day. That's the reason FISA thought it is very important to give you certificates from Dr. Vijay Khare, who is the representative of the Savitribai Phule Pune University. I know most of the students are self-financing and many of them are ICCR scholars. We consider there is a motto of the Indian, the philosophy of Indian is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam means the whole universe is one family. And how do we make that as one family? When we start imbibing cultures of different nations, it is only then that we come close together. And the reason for your coming to India is that you imbibe the culture of India and you also let us know your culture, wherein we find the commonalities and come close to each other. I'm sure by staying in India, you must have noticed that there's not much difference in the countries, several countries we come from. It is humanity which is the common thread which combines all of us together. Humanity, peace, it's so important. As Dr. Khare mentioned that there are many countries where there is a lot of turmoil. So now as representatives and intelligent people representing your own country, it's important for you to go back to your countries and try to settle issues which you think. I'm sure there are many students who learn political science over here and they say that they want to become politicians. So all those would-be politicians should take a very important step to see that there is peace not only in their country but the world over, because there are problems in many of the countries. Even India has a lot of issues. So it is your duty to see that you are able to bring peace and calm and brotherhood at every place you go. Without wasting, because we have many dignitaries over here who will be saying a few words. I would like to congratulate all the students, their parents, for sending the students to India, and I'm sure you have imbibed a part of India in you and you will become cultural ambassadors of your countries, going to other countries, and we would like to see you coming back to India representing your country as an important either politician or an important educationist, businessman, anything you would like to do ahead. With these words, I would like to congratulate the FISA, representatives of FISA who have taken, in spite of this pandemic, there was a very gloomy atmosphere, but then they have been able to succumb everything and they have been able to bring out this get-together over here so that we, all of us, enjoy and we do not forget the graduation, the important day of your life. And thank you very much, and students.
Afghanistan in Mumbai. India since August 2020. Engineer Zakia Wardak, leading the Society of Afghanistan Women in Engineering and Construction, along with services as the Executive Director for her Afghanistan Engineering. Zakia Wardak has master's degree in architecture while serving in the private and public sector. Engineer Zakia Wardak focused mainly on humanities efforts such as operating two orphanage Aegis, one medical clinic, and private education in remote location of the Wardak province. Enduring Zyka patient to better public institution of society is what led her to become one of the leading candidates in the parliament elections of 2018. Enduring Zyka Wardak contributed to national and English international publishing. I now request Mrs. Zakia Warda, Consulate General of Afghanistan in Mumbai, to speak to you all.
स्टँड बिसंड नाही पाहिजे म्हणून
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.